In this lesson I'm going to run through a basic 12-bar blues chord progression in the key of G major. The 12-bar blues is at the heart of so many rock and roll songs, pop songs, rock songs, soul songs, and of course blues songs. But the basic form is really simple. I'm going to show you two versions, one that's really simple and an alternative version that'll add a bit more interest to your playing. So in G we're using three major chords, G, C and D, all of which we've looked at before. If you haven't seen those lessons, then check out the link in the description for a playlist of all the chords in those keys. So here's the progression, you'll see it up there. There are 12 bars, hence the name, and each bar has 4 beats to it. For our rhythm pattern, we'll be sticking to something really simple of just down, 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 up, down, up. So that's 1, 2, 3 and 4 end. If you love the Beatles as much as I do, then you can play along to their version of Long Tall Sally by Little Richard. Their version is in G as well, and it really rocks. So here's the simple version. Listen or play along. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that was the simple version. Now here's a version with a couple of differences. And if you look at the side-by-side comparison, you'll see that the first line of 4 is slightly different, where you have, instead of completely 4 bars of G, you then have 1 bar of G followed by a bar of C. But it's at the end, in the last 2 bars, where you see the real difference. You now have half a bar of G, half a bar of C, half a bar of G, and then half a bar of D. The other thing to also remember is that the strumming pattern still remains the same. Okay, you'll still be going down, 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 up, down, up. So listen, why don't you hit pause, grab a screenshot of those progressions, and also smash that like button if you're getting value out of this. Okay, so here's the alternative version of the 12-bar blues in G. Feel free to play along. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 really basic chords, very fundamental chords, G, C and D major. Check out the lesson on the G and C chords to see how to make the changes between those 2 chords simpler. So if you didn't play along, then why not go back and have a go? You know you want to. Even if you did, it wouldn't hurt to have another bash. See you in the next class, and don't forget to hit that notifications button before you click onto another video.